Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanic.
Hello, my name is Carl. Do you guys provide roadside assistance? Car breaks down?
We do. What kind of situation do you have going on, sir?
My car was leaking coolant oil. Looks like the upper radiator hose is
What type of car?
hole in it. 2012 Chevy Cruz.
I might be there within an hour.
Okay. And does that include picking up the hose as well?
Yes, sir. It could.
Okay. Are you able to see if you have some available? If so, I mean that you can source one. If so, that'll be great, man. I'll do that, no problem. The $100 charge, is that towards the repair?
Yes, sir. That's towards the repair.
Okay. What's the typical cost for that replacement?
Depending on what it is, if it's just the upper radiator hose, I don't know how it looks up under there, but
Gotcha.
It's not gonna be too much. It's not gonna be too much more than that, sir.
Okay, understood. I didn't know. I never had it replaced before. Or had this issue, to be honest. So you said within the hour, $100. I mean, that's no problem. And then the hose, I mean, at least looking, because I looked online as well, just to see if like any AutoZone or whatever nearby had it. There were a couple of them, so it looked like it was about $60 for the upper radiator hose, give or take. So that's fine. You said you can have somebody here within an hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We can do that, if you don't mind.
Okay. Send me the year, make, and model, and the motor size, so I could try to. Did you call any part stores to see if they had the hose?
Well, I didn't call. I just went through their sites online to the closest location near me, like the O'Reilly's. The closest O'Reilly's about 1.5 miles from me had it, and then the AutoZone about 2.5 miles had it for my car, make and model.
Okay. Let's try to do the O'Reilly's if possible.
Yeah, I think O'Reilly's was closer to me than the AutoZone too. I think. I'll double check, but I'm gonna send you when you get the text message. I'll send you the information you requested.
All right, and the motor size also. Year, make, and model, and the motor size, and I'll be that way shortly.
Okay. You want me to send some pictures too?
You can.
Okay. All right. I'm trying to give as much information as possible.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else.
Carhelpout.com.
We can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.